Hey guys, I'm showing you this Oyeeice iPad 9 Gen case with a keyboard. This is a wireless detachable folio cover with pencil holder and can be used for iPad of 10.5 inches. And this also be used for the iPad Air third generation. This is a pink in color, and as you can see, this comes in a really nice box and the packing. So let me just unbox it and show you the quality. So this is the magnetic keyboard that comes with it. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard. I will show the attach like how to connect it in a later time. And then this can also stick to the iPad cover. That's all magnetic, and this is also the movable one. So which can rotate a 360-degree rotation, and also can be used with a pencil holder. So as this is magnetic, you can also set the position that you want for the keyboard and then also for the iPad. So here is my iPad. I am just putting it in the cover. It goes in a flexible cover really well. And from the corner, it is all protective. From the side, I'm just sticking it to the keyboard, and then you can also turn that. So the Bluetooth is on, so I'm just connecting it. You have to turn the on and off button on the keyboard so that it can start searching. And now you will see it will easily recognize it, and then you can just connect in a moment, and then you can just test and try. So you can see the typing is pretty much easy. Now, hopefully you can see it in the camera like in this way. And this also have a LED backlight that you can change the color, and then also can turn it on and off. So this is a backlight cover and backlight thing, easy to do the typing here. And then you can charge this with a supplied charging cable and then reuse it. So you can see like all these different colors of the LED of the backlight. This is very helpful in the dark or the night. Then storing is pretty easy as well. You can just close it, turn it off, put it, and then close and done. So basically this is a nice iPad case with a pencil holder and the keyboard. Very handy. Take it anywhere. Hope you like it.